Mean time to repair, MTTR, is a crucial metric in various industries, especially those that heavily rely on equipment or systems. It measures the average time it takes to repair a failed component or system and restore it to full functionality. A low MTTR indicates efficient maintenance and repair processes, which in turn leads to increased productivity, reduced downtime, and improved customer satisfaction. To improve mean time to repair, organizations can follow these 5 essential steps. 1. Implement a proactive maintenance strategy. One of the most effective ways to reduce MTTR is by adopting a proactive maintenance approach. This involves regularly inspecting, servicing, and replacing components before they fail. By identifying and addressing potential issues early on, organizations can prevent breakdowns and minimize repair time. This strategy also helps in optimizing equipment performance and extending its lifespan. 2. Invest in preventive maintenance tools. To streamline maintenance processes and reduce repair time, organizations should invest in advanced preventive maintenance tools. These tools can automate routine inspections, monitor equipment health in real time, and provide predictive analytics to identify potential failures before they occur. By leveraging technology, organizations can proactively address maintenance needs, significantly reducing MTTR. 3. Enhance technician training and skills. Well-trained and skilled technicians are essential for quick and efficient repairs. Organizations should invest in comprehensive training programs that cover both technical knowledge and problem-solving skills. By equipping technicians with the necessary expertise, organizations can minimize troubleshooting time and ensure repairs are done correctly the first time. Regular training sessions and knowledge sharing among technicians can further enhance their skills and contribute to a faster MTTR. 4. Streamline repair processes. Efficient repair processes are crucial for minimizing MTTR. Organizations should analyze their current repair workflows and identify any bottlenecks or inefficiencies. By streamlining these processes, such as improving communication channels between technicians and support teams or implementing standardized repair procedures, organizations can reduce downtime and expedite repairs. Additionally, utilizing a centralized database or knowledge management system can provide technicians with easy access to troubleshooting guides, historical data, and best practices, further reducing MTTR. 5. Monitor and measure performance. To continuously improve MTTR, organizations must monitor and measure their performance regularly. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as mean time between failures, MTBF, mean time to diagnose, MTTD, and mean time to repair, MTTR, organizations can identify areas for improvement. Regularly reviewing these metrics allows organizations to identify trends, pinpoint recurring issues, and implement corrective actions to reduce MTTR further. In conclusion, improving mean time to repair is crucial for organizations aiming to enhance productivity, reduce downtime, and meet customer expectations. By implementing a proactive maintenance strategy, investing in preventive maintenance tools, enhancing technician training and skills, streamlining repair processes, and monitoring performance, organizations can significantly reduce MTTR and optimize their maintenance operations. This not only leads to cost savings but also improves overall operational efficiency and customer satisfaction.